Unlock the full potential of your Wells Fargo rewards and make your money work harder for you. First, let's understand the value of your points. Wells Fargo offers various reward types, primarily points or cash back, with points often redeemable for diverse options like travel, gift cards, or even statement credits. To access your rewards, log into your Wells Fargo online banking account, enter your username and password, then click Sign On. Once logged in, navigate to the rewards section. You'll typically find this prominently displayed on your account dashboard or under a dedicated menu option. Here's where the fun begins: choosing your redemption option. Wells Fargo offers a wide array of choices. Common options include cash redemption directly deposited into your account or applied as a statement credit. You can also redeem for gift cards to your favorite retailers or browse a catalog of merchandise for travelers. Points can often be used for flights, hotels, and car rentals through their travel portal. Now, for maximizing your rewards, always check for bonus categories and special offers. Wells Fargo frequently runs promotions that allow you to earn extra points on specific purchases or during certain periods. Consider using the Wells Fargo mobile app for convenient reward tracking and redemption on the go. It puts your rewards information right at your fingertips. Finally, regularly review your credit card statements to ensure all your eligible purchases are earning rewards, and be aware of any point expiration policies to avoid losing your hard-earned benefits. By following these simple steps, you'll be well on your way to effectively utilizing and maximizing your Wells Fargo rewards, making your financial services work even harder for you.